Aight, it's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. If it's the cops doing what they do, it's 20 views. If it's me watching YouTube, it's 20 views. If it's me on Twitch with 5 concurrent views, it's 20 views. And I was just telling the chat, my co-host of chat in the house, man, Wednesday Patreon situation, that my ex-coworker, man, ex-coworker is freaking being a good guy, being a good Samaritan. Come on with these fake calls. One day I'm gonna answer one of these calls on the stream and let y'all hear me trying Listen, that's what it is. That's what it is. I might not be saying the right words, but they be calling me speaking Chinese, and I heard that they trying to trick me into thinking that I got money in some Chinese bank, because apparently a lot of the nationals that come over here, they be older and they be thinking that they got money over there and whatnot. They trying to trick me into some shit. I don't mean to imitate and sound racist, but that's what it be, and that shit is infuriating. But yeah, I was telling them about like my coworker, man, trying to be a good Samaritan on one of these damn subway trains, freaking got himself disfigured, man. Let me stop marking myself. Back in the day, that used to be a thing, like, don't mark yourself. Don't ever do this. Don't ever do this, you know what I mean? Because it might happen one day. But I've done it so many times, it's never happened to me. Yeah, maybe God is just saving them all up, like one big time. Come on. Alright, let's get the second time around. Let's get this joint in, man. Knock my face all off from a bear. Yeah, like I saw some dude got hit by attacked by a bear. The bear ripped his whole face off. Like maybe that's what God has waited for me. How the fuck would I run into a bear? That's one thing I'll avoid is bears. I'll do a good job avoiding bears. All right, let's get this next shuffle. Thunderstruck. That's what this is. Thunderstruck. I hope it's Thunderstruck. That's my shit right there. Thunderstruck. I just Thunderstruck by Steve N Seagulls. I don't think it's Thunderstruck then, because I would remember Steve N Seagulls. Hopefully it's Thunderstruck though. I wouldn't mind listening to that right now. It's probably something totally different though. Alright, who added this though? I have no idea who added this. Let me listen to it for a bit. Maybe I don't know. It said he had 160 million views, so maybe it is Thunderstruck. Okay, so it is. It's Finnish band called Steve N Seagulls plays AC/DC's awesome song called Thunderstruck. Okay, so yeah, it's a remake of the song Thunderstruck. It has 160 million views. All right, check it out. Actually, yeah, the song is classic. All right, shout out Candy. Candy a big winner tonight. Oh shit. Yo, he killed it. He sounds just like it. They don't play those instruments, right? So AC/DC don't play no damn ukulele. Oh, banjo, my fault, it's a banjo. AC/DC don't play no damn banjo, so they gonna do it on different type of instruments. I'm here, I'm strapped in, y'all. Strapped in, clap you in the Kahoma. Shout out Candy. You playing the spoons? Let's go. I'm in. Look at his face. Playing accordion overalls. In the middle of a railroad track. And I knew there was. See, I'm on record saying I don't like screaming shit, but I like that. Thunderstruck a lot. I know my neighbors are hating me right now. No turning back. Playing the anvil? Let's go, Jim the Anvil 9 hard. What could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. I'm loving this. No, we gotta do the scream, bro. We gotta do the scream. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Look at the neck of that bass. That man been playing that joint. He done rubbed all the freaking the laminate off the joint, all the shellac. He done rubbed all the shellac off the joint. That man is he knows how to play his bass. Slap it. Got the upright bass. He playing this joint with the feather sticks. I think that's what it's called, right? Got the accordion with the tape on it. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You been vinyl finish. Candy, you get a clap. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. He rubbed off the vinyl finish. That's amazing. That was an amazing one, Candy. You mad you wasted it on this stream. Imagine wasted that joke on this stream. That was good. That was damn good. We met some girls. That's damn good. Shaking at the knees. Could I come again? That was hilarious, Candy. Yeah, the ladies were too kind. I just log off if I was you right now. You're not gonna top that tonight. Thunderstruck. That was a drop the mic joke. That's hilarious. Cause they finish. That's the joke. My man has a wicker basket hat. I love these guys. What's your hat? My man got a fox. You mean to tell me she doesn't get how great her joke was? That is hilarious. Candy, you just... Even a broken clock is right twice a day. You just scored for no... You hit a half-court shot with your eyes closed. You've been Thunderstruck. I want that hat. That was Thunderstruck by Steve N Seagulls, the remake of the AC/DC song. My dude rubbed off the vinyl finish. It was his finished vinyl. I still wish he had did the scream. That would have topped it off. But thank you, Candy. That was a good one. Okay, that one.